Hey guys, today we're going to be doing another Burpman, and we're going to be doing tricks while doing it. Okay.
And Taryn right here just learned how to do burps, but not that loud. Do them, Taryn.
No, not that good though.
They're not that good, but here's Jordan that can do them like doing virtually anything.
Oh god.
What?
It's not good to do burpful tricks.
What do you want? Puke?
Yes.
To just stand up and burp and do like the biggest ones. Do the biggest burp you ever can do in your life. Stop.
Talking to you, boobs.
Shut up.
Hello. Subscribe. Like. Comment.
Okay, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Okay, bye.
Okay, so if you give us more comments, give us a bunch of
Jordan's awesome.
yeah, I guess that too. But if you give us a bunch of comments and views, we'll make a Burpman 4. So
And if you like me doing tricks, just say awesome, and we'll do more tricks for you.
we'll try to make a Burpman 4 by the end of the day today. Okay, bye.